Okay, today we're in a Honda Pilot. This one's a 2006, and we're going to be resetting the oil life. If it's not already on the screen, you just hit this button here to get to it. It's normally going to be on one of these screens. Trip A, Trip B, hit it again, oil life. At this time, we just simply hold this button down, or stick, whatever you want to call it. So we hold it down, and I believe it starts flashing on this one. Yep, so we let it go, and then hold it back down. And that should reset it to 100%. And that's it. And then just hit it again to go back to whatever menu you'd like.